Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set cache control headers using .htaccess file in WordPress. So by setting cache control header can help improve performance and security in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager and we are going to add code in .htaccess file. So this is a file, right click on it and then click on edit. Now .htaccess file is open. So what is cache control header do? So cache control is an HTTP header used to specify browser caching policies in both client request and server response. Policies include how a resource is cached, where is cache and its maximum age before expiring. So it's mean we are going to set, for example, time to live. So we are going to add code. Now paste and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see IfModule mod_address.c. Now you see file format jpeg, png, gif, and then you see set cache control maximum age. So you can add time in second according to requirement. And then you see FilesMatch close and then you see IfModule also close and then click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.